3Lab was founded in 2003 and currently has over 40 chemists and the scientists from different fields. We focus on the research and development of active and innovative anti-aging products using the rarest and the most effective ingredients for the most efficacious skincare experience. I personally participate in the research and development and testing of every single product in 3Lab. Products must satisfy me before I put it on the market. This is also what I often mention. I create products for myself because I'm the ultimate customer. Everything is result-oriented. 3Lab is now available in America, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Poland, Italy, Russia, United Kingdom, Spain, Thailand, Hong Kong, and is highly sought after by celebrities, politicians, and KOLs. And hope consumers can discover the ultimate skincare experience of 3Lab.